What's going on? We are back on the water. We're on the chocolate milk today. We got, I don't know, 4 inches of rain last night. I'm not really sure how much, but we decided it'd be fun to do a little bit of rapid running today. I don't know, I brought one pole. I don't know if we're gonna catch any fish today, but we really just wanted to get out and run these rapids while the water's up. There's a website that tells us what the flow rate is, and one of the closest ones to us was reading like 850, and then the one further down was reading over 1,000, so probably around 900 CFS right now. We're gonna do about 6.5 miles. It will probably not take long. It's about 11:45 right now, so we'll see how long it takes to get to the end. See y'all in the water. Oh boy, we have a lot of debris hanging out with us the whole day.
Maybe a high speed run.
Yeah.
I feel like when people do like high speed runs of
on video games.
Nintendo games.
Yeah. This is a speed run. We'll see how fast we can get down this river. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure that's a rapid right there.
Yeah.
It's not there.
It's not even like.
There's not even rollers.
Undulations at all. Yeah, the water was like, I don't know, 6 to 10 feet higher than it is right now.
Well, you can see right there how high it was.
Yeah.
Think you can touch the bottom? Yep. Still not that deep.
Still not that deep.
I think it's up too high.
What?
I think it's up too high. This looks like a new pile of rubbish. But that tree looks real fresh.
I don't know if you're gonna catch any turtles today. I'm thinking they're probably somewhere else.
Nope.
What was that?
My rod.
Did it break?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh dude. That sucks.
Huh. Well, no fishing now.
Could you cut it down to the next thing and fish with it as a shorty?
No, it'd be like, it would be a
Like a
ultra stiff.
an ultra stiff like DC rod.
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, it's a turtle? Is it an armadillo?
That, were you talking about that bubbling?
Yeah, it was an animal.
Oh. Holy jack, that's not easy. You ready, your turtle?
I cannot believe you caught a turtle, Jim. You're just talking about how you probably weren't.
Oh, baby, maybe you should put him on the land.
Don't pee on me.
Can come back into the water if he wants.
That's what I was kind of thinking, but... Ooh, look at his teeth.
Can you reach him over there? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's got some crazy
Some
jagged.
Little chomps. Operation Turtle Rescue?
Almost
Like, I didn't need rescuing, you idiots.
I was fine. This is where I wanted to be.
I could swim. I was splashing around having a fun time.
All this rain. Really loved it.
Oh gosh, here we go.
Oh, don't come near it!
Did he
Went
just go
straight into
straight
the
back
water.
into the water? Okay, he wants to be in the water. Okay, alright.
When you go, you go.
He's so cool.
He's
He's
exercising.
a weirdo.
Paddle, paddle, paddle. Well, that was the best so far, but still not very exciting. I wanted to get wet.
I'm actually totally dry.
Yeah, my shoes are the only wet thing. Is this a floating rock?
Floating rock?
Look at it.
Where? Is that really floating by? Is it a rock? Oh, is it like that pumice stone?
I don't know, it might be styrofoam, but it looks like a rock. Really rotten wood. Haven't touched it yet.
Oh, it's a cow patty. Here, you can keep
I don't want it. It's a cow.
That's why it's good. It
Not
did look like a rock. I
did,
thought
yeah.
it was a rock or a piece of wood. The other one sounded cool too, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds real deceiving.
You have to like pick the waves to ride them.
Yeah, you gotta go aim for them.
Scooped water.
Ah, I saw you go. We should get out and chill because we're probably like halfway.
Yeah, you want to park it over here?
Yeah.
Coming in hot. Oh!
Did she just bust a 360? All right, so we just looked at the GPS. We've been on the water for an hour? Maybe. We're halfway, so we gotta slow down. Hard nose dive.
Oh, that wasn't cool at all.
Finally. That's a good one. That was a real good one. Oh, he went the wrong way. All right, we're gonna stop again because God, so this is at 18 minutes and the other one was at like an hour. So it's been about an hour and 20 minutes and we're just going too fast, so we gotta slow down. Found a waterfall. Oh Jesus! He's taking him down. Oh. Make sure that doesn't go floating away. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah! What an interesting find.
Oh man, that's good right there.
It's cool how it just dug out that little hole.
I know. Perfect shower.
Oh god. Gotta walk in the old holes that have been established.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the trick.
Oh my god, it's like suctioned in too. It's actually better that way. No rocks getting in here. Oh, this looks good. This looks real good. This could be what we've been waiting for all day. We should have just came here and rode it over and over and over again. in here. That's a good way to finish your trip there. I wish they had a system to bring us back up there. We could hit it again. The river's on the rise. Paddle in, boy. We all got a little bit of water on that last one. The only negative of a sit inside kayak is the amount of water you might take in. What are you doing over there?
I'm waiting for the river to just push me a little closer.
No.
Just reverse in. Beep, 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 beep.
A little further.
Oh my God, look at this thing.
Jesus Christ.
That's how you fill a kayak.
We're getting out of here before we can't make it. Not really. It's not that dangerous. It's just we want to get out of here. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.